Alright brothers, we're back with a new video. Gotten the motivation to start recording again. So we are doing the last puzzle piece for my car to hopefully be fully fixed. That is the Damond Motorsports PCV plate. I just took the car to Ottawa. I don't know if you guys saw that, if you followed me on my Instagram. It was really fun. The car drove amazing. I was supposed to take it to the track, but you know, new clutch, PCV being bad, I thought it was not a good idea. But yeah, currently it's my day off and utilizing that day off to fix my car. And bro, the car is like, you can't even see it, but the car is dirty as hell. What can you do after 8 hours of driving? We got the OG working on my PCV as per usual. What's going on?
Not much, buddy.
Not much. Yo, this thing is actually insanely good quality. The Damond PCV plate. It's actually really nice. Of course, I want this gold. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but I was like, you know what? It gave me a choice of black or gold, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna go.
New hardware too. Like, look at this.
It's actually, yo, honest to God, it's a lot bigger than what I thought it'd be. It looks smaller on the.
Yeah. No, it's huge.
Fuck. So hopefully it goes okay. But yeah. Here's Jose's Speed, just chilling. I can't show you the rear because he's got a new part on it that he does not want you guys to see. But man, this thing's clean as hell. Nothing new. Custom headlights. Goddamn, must be nice. Got his new wheels. Hit me up saying I should get it.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh yeah, I showed you. Yeah, but I'm gonna buy those too. I'm gonna get like the nice steering wheel with the airbag on the head.
Color, if you want Alcantara on half of it, if you want full leather, you want perforated leather.
I definitely can go out. Alright friends, the throttle body is off. Now we're going to see the PCV. It's the intake manifold top. Should be fine. This car has been driving so nicely, guys. Knock on wood, but I hope this is the last problem it gives me for a very long time. So explain to me what you just found out.
So this is cylinder 2, right?
Yeah,
cylinder 2. So this rod is just chilling here like that, blocking all the airflow, but come to find out, it's actually loose. So these, they plugged them all off so no airflow passes through the cylinders. But for whatever reason, if this started hammering loose or if it fell inside, it could have either got sucked in your motor or fell inside the manifold, which would be the best scenario, but not good. So it's either I'm going to have to glue it back, which is probably not going to be the case, or just remove it entirely.
Should I? Fuck. So old one is out?
Old one is out. Went pretty easy. I'm just trying to figure out why there's so much oil. If the thing cracked, if the O-ring failed, if the PCV just closed off entirely and just grenaded all the oil everywhere. I don't see anything cracked, so probably just the PCV failed, overpressurized the crankcase, and just started shooting oil everywhere from the least path of resistance. So either from here or the hose. Because yeah, I don't see anything. But anyways, we got the good stuff here. Who cares about that?
Yes, sir. So let's see the Damond plate. Yes, sir. Looks nice over there. Hopefully you can actually see it through the manifold.
You can get a better picture now.
Looking sweet. Pretty nice. Oh, you like a show while you're working?
Bro, freaking scared me, man. What the hell just happened? It's still looking mint, man. Look at that perfection.
So I tried making a Halloween one, but that's the best I could do because there's no black. So that's the best I could do for Halloween. She is alive. Alright brothers, so the car's back up. We'll go test run and let Jose drive it just to see what he thinks of the car itself. Not only the PCV, but also the new clutch, so we'll see how that goes.
2 weeks later.
Okay guys, so it's been a couple days since that video has been recorded. I actually just woke up. I'm editing the video right now. I just need to close out the video because I need some sort of explanation as to how the car is running, but the car is running absolutely amazing. Yeah, it's running really good. No leaking oil anymore, no more oil consumption as it looks like right now. Maybe it's burning oil, I'm not sure, but the car's driving amazing, guys. I've been ripping this thing hard, like crazy, like doing bear pulls, driving it hard, just enjoying the car as is, and let me just tell you guys, it was a lot of fun. And I'm pretty happy with how the car is right now. I'm sorry, I'm kind of tired right now. I just woke up, it's like 11 o'clock, but I still am tired, but I just want to let you guys know that the car is running absolutely amazing, feels good, drives hard all day, and that's all I have for you. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Catch you next one. Stay consistent. Peace.